that I didn't even know who I was anymore.
And I think that really follows through then into, yes, when you start repairing your marriage or your relationship after infidelity, but you're also repairing the years of disconnection. And that's what we talk about a lot, because yes, the infidelity is a manifestation, but it's the manifestation of the disconnection.
But I think because of that opened a window to you feeling disconnected from me, and then feeling this artificial connection with somebody else who was there at that time to kind of feed that that void, so to speak.